Create an advanced tutorial on adding atmospheric depth to flat images through haze, fog, and enhanced depth of field effects. Teach layer mask techniques to selectively add atmospheric elements. Demonstrate creating realistic fog using brushes and layer opacity, simulating atmospheric perspective by manipulating color and clarity. Cover techniques for creating depth without a separate depth map, including selective blur application. Teach how to enhance the illusion of 3D space in 2D images. Include techniques for creating light rays, God rays, and volumetric fog effects. This tutorial appeals to photographers, digital artists, and visual effects enthusiasts wanting to create immersive, three-dimensional images.